Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell or delete your players within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels, after which you will be able to choose your home team and set up your username. Once your team has been set up, and you can begin your matches. If you wish to sell or remove any player from your roster, just tap on the market option at the bottom section. This will now take you into your market section. From here, you can purchase any player that you wish from the recommended or the watch list section. And if you wish to sell or transfer any of your player, just tap on the My Players option at the top. And now, any eligible player that you can sell will have the sell button available. You can just choose on the player that you wish to sell and then tap on the sell button in order to trade this player for someone else. And there you have it. That is how you can trade, remove or sell your players within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.